In today's video, I will walk you through how to apply credit memos to invoices in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. From your QuickBooks dashboard, select Create at the top left. This will open the Create menu. From the available transaction types, select Credit Memo. With the credit memo form open, select the customer you want the credit to apply to. Make sure you choose the exact customer who has the outstanding invoice. Next, enter the essential details for the credit memo. Enter the amount of the credit you are issuing, then add a clear description explaining what the credit is for. Check the date and make sure it is correct. If your business tracks tax on credits, make sure the amounts reflect what you expect. Once all the information looks correct, select Save. The credit memo is now created. QuickBooks will automatically look for open invoices for the selected customer and apply the credit up to the available amount. In most cases, you do not need to link the credit manually. To confirm the result, go to the Invoices area and find the customer's invoice. Check the invoice status to see how the credit was applied. If the credit covered only part of the invoice total, the invoice status will indicate that it is partially paid. If the credit matched the remaining balance, the invoice will indicate that it is fully paid. You can also review the adjusted balance to see what is still due, if anything. When creating credit memos, double-check that you have selected the correct customer. Keep the description informative and make sure the date is correct. If you do not see the credit applied automatically, review your settings or consult your administrator to check whether automatic application is turned off. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.